Hello and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we cover topics that might help you in some way. Today's topic is how to create a Minecraft skin from online. This is gonna be really easy, so before we get started, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It's free. So let's get started. Click on your browser and then I'm gonna just type in Minecraft skin, and the first results gonna be on Microsoft Bing is a Skindex. Well, now you can do it on Skindex and as well as Nova Skin and other skin websites, but my favorite is Skindex. And here you have to click on this editor. Here you're gonna get a whole shape, like a skin shape, and you can do whatever you want to this. Basically, like I'd like let's make a face. So I'm gonna do this, and I don't have much idea about Minecraft skins, but yeah, I think the eyes look like this, and the skin is gonna look like this. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at this. Well, now we're gonna add some shadows, right? How do you do that? Oh, you can add tone. Oh, and then you can rotate and stuff. Okay, nice. I think I'm gonna make it look a little dark, yeah. And then you can totally just dump everything. Let's make a face. I mean a smile. Let's give him a bright teeth. Oh my god, I'm sorry. How to undo it? Like this. And then it's gonna be bright. Oh my god, it looks cute. And then let's give him hair. Okay. And yeah, that's how you can create a Minecraft skin on minecraftskins.com. Yep, that's about it. And then you can download it from here, and you can upload it to the website from here. Yep, so if you like the video, I know you did. So for this fella, subscribe to the channel and drop a like on this video. Until the next one, see ya.